Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 10 divided by 2 parenthesis 3 plus 3. If we solve directly, so 10 divided by 2 they give us 5, and here multiplication and 3 plus 3, and 5 multiplied by 3 they give us 15 plus 3, and 15 plus 3 they give us 18. So it's not correct. We solve it by the rules of mathematics, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Multiplication or division we solve from left to right, and addition or subtraction we solve from left to right. Now we have one parenthesis here and one division. So according to the rule, first we solve parentheses. So 10 divided by 2, and here we solve parentheses. Inside of the parentheses 3 plus 3 they give us 6, and here is multiplication 6. Now we have division and multiplication. According to the rule, multiplication or division we solve from left to right. Now in left side we have division, so first we solve division, then we solve multiplication. So 10 divided by 2 they give us 5 multiplied by 6, and 5 multiplied by 6 they give us 30. So the final answer is 30. Thanks for watching.